अरे वो देखो, गार्डनर प्लांट्स को पानी दे रहा है। यहाँ पे तो कितनी तरह के प्लांट्स हैं। सम आर टॉल, सम आर शॉर्ट एंड सम आर वेरी शॉर्ट।
Do you want to know about these plants? Come with me. I show you. Our world is full of plants, different type of plants. So let us learn about them. We will begin with trees. See, this is tree. This is mango tree. It is very tall. It has thick stem and this stem is called trunk. This is also very tall. So this is also a tree, Ashoka tree. Stem is thick and woody. This is Guava tree. It is also very tall. Stem is thick, strong, woody. So trees live for many years. Now I will tell you about herbs. This is Tulsi plant. Stem is soft. You can easily break them. The height of the plant is small. They are seasonal plants. अरे मीना, अरे जरीना, देख हमारी क्यारी में ये भीना भीना हरा पुदीना। दादी माँ तो कहती इसमें पेट दर्द की छुपी दवाई, हंसकर पीना हरा पुदीना। This is mint. Mint is also a herb. You can see the stem of mint is soft and it can be broken easily. Mints are also seasonal plants and the height is small as herbs are small in size. तो चलो अब shrubs की बात करते हैं।
These flowers smell so good. What type of plant is this?
This is rose plant. Rose is also a shrub. Stem is thicker than the herbs. It gives bushy appearance because the branches they start rising near the ground. This plant has medium height. I show you more shrubs. See, this is hibiscus. They branch near the ground. Most of the branches they start arising near the ground, so it gives a bushy appearance. This is plant of lemon. This is also a shrub. लेमन को हिंदी में हम नींबू बोलते हैं। अब टर्न आती है क्रीपर्स की।
अरे इसकी स्टेम तो जमीन के साथ साथ जा रही है। अब ये कौन सा प्लांट है?
This is pumpkin. Pumpkin is a creeper. Stem is very weak. But the fruit is heavy. This stem cannot stand upright and hold the fruit. So it creeps along the ground. The stem grows along the ground. So pumpkin is a creeper. Now we will discuss another type of plants called climbers.
अब ये कौन सा प्लांट है? ये इसके ऊपर ऐसे क्लाइंब क्यों कर रहा है?
This is bottle gourd. Bottle gourd is also a climber. They have weak stem, but they can grow upward along the trees and poles. They cannot stand up by themselves. They need support to climb up. That's why they are called climbers. This is ridge gourd. इसको रामातोरी भी बोलते हैं. This is also a climber. It can climb upwards with the help of a support, like tree or pole or stick. Because fruit is not heavy, so they can climb with the help of a support because they have weak stem. There are 28 states in India People living in different states speak different languages. Our neighbor, Miss Vinita's daughter, lives in Andhra Pradesh. She visited our house last year and she told me the names of many plants in Telugu, which is the official language of Andhra Pradesh. Now, to enhance your knowledge, I tell you the names of some of these plants in Telugu. Mango tree is called Mamidi Chettu. Ashoka tree is called Asoka Chettu. Tulsi is called Tulasi. Mint is called Pudina. Rose is called Gulabi. Hibiscus is called Mandara. Pumpkin is called Gumadikaya. And bottle gourd is called Sisapotulkaya. We have learnt about the different types of plants and names of some plants in Telugu.